Now I'm ready to post my information about my little town that I'm going to grow to love, and I want to share that with my cyber cafe. So I click reply, and that gives me a fresh text box to play with. And as I've shown before, I can do all kinds of fun things in here. Let's start with a little copy. As always, I put my name, course, and then I'll put the word count down here. And remember, just to remind you, the word count is always shown down here. After I've completed everything, I'll see the total words, and I'll just add that right here. Now, let's find the title image. Now I'm ready to find my title image. Now remember that when posting images in a discussion board, that's a little different from an essay, and it's okay to have some words on the image that I put here. So let's go out and look for an image, and I'm going to select this image. It's colorful, it shows people, it does have words on it, but this is a discussion post. So I'm going to copy the image, go back over to my post, and paste it right there like that. Now I have my little title image, and now I'm going to add a little bit more copy, and I'm going to indicate where it is on the map. So I added just a little bit about the where the town is located, a little bit about the weather, because that's kind of one of the things. And notice that I have a quote in here so that I'm not acting like I know something that I didn't research. So I have a quote that I'm quoting directly from the website, and then I need to document that and then put a period at the end of that so that the reader of my post knows where I got that information. Now it's time to put in an image of the map and where Luling is located on the map. Okay, I like this one. It's simple. You don't have to see all the other stuff of Texas, and there it is, and the reader can see where it is on the map. We're not going to worry about citing our things. This is a discussion board for a course. We're not going to be reposting this anywhere, so we're going to paste that right there. I had trouble getting that in there, so I'm just going to simply create a little snip of that on my computer. I have a little snipping tool. Y'all are probably much better at doing this kind of thing than I am, but I'm just going to make a little cutout of this. So that little snipping tool created a little cutout, and now I've got my image that I can use. I'm going to save that over to that folder, and then I'm going to copy it into the... So let me go over that just real quick. If I couldn't get it to come copy and paste directly from there, I clicked on it, I went Save As, and I saved it to my Americana image folder. And then once it's saved, I'm going to insert an image. I'm going to upload the image that I just created, and I'm going to go here, and I will find that image, Luling on the map. And there it is. And then right down here, there's this little button called Submit. And that will put the image into the post where my cursor was, is what it's going to find. And now here it is in my post, but it's huge. So as soon as I just click on it, left click, you see these little toggles? I can make it smaller so that it's not this huge thing. I just want the reader to be able to see where it is on the map. I don't want to do an archaeological exposition. So now we have that. We'll go ahead and just put that in the middle. Just see like that, and then go over here, and then just take it over to the center. There. Now I have the little title, and I have a couple of sentences about the weather. And now the last thing I want to do is talk just a minute about the watermelon thump. The whole purpose of this assignment is the big attraction to the town that you are working with, and that always has to do with a yearly festival. I added a few words about their festival in my own words. You can, however you want to tell your reader about the festivals, how you're going to do that. And then I'm just going to insert an image, a picture. And let's do that from this way, since I already have one saved on my desktop. I'm going to insert image, and I'm going to upload an image. And notice once I get over here that I can get the image from my computer. I can get the image by researching this, which is a set of stock images I can research, or I can use a URL. But I already have it on my computer, so I'm going to upload an image. And now I have Luling Festival. I'm going to click Parade, and that shows that up here. And I'm going to submit. And it's going to put it into the post. And of course, it's way too big. So what do? I click, use the little toggles to make it the same size as the other images. And there you go. And that's all there is to it. And now I simply go down here and I click post. And then when I see other students post, I reply to them and I tell them how great it was. I give them a little thumbs up. You know how nice it is when you post something and people come in and respond to it. It makes you feel good. So let's make sure that we do and honor everybody else in the group. And that's all there is to it. But what did I forget? What did I forget? The same thing I always forget, y'all, the word count. So I need to fix that up and then post.